NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 6. Multiple choice question 6. The value of tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees into tan 3 degrees into and so on tan 89 degrees is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2 and option D 1 by 2. Answer. Let us write the given expression. We know that tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cot theta in the reciprocal form is 1 by tan theta. Therefore, tan theta into tan 90 degrees minus theta can be written as 1. We shall use this equation and try to reduce the given expression. Let us rewrite the given expression with some more terms, which is equal to tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees into tan 3 degrees into and so on tan 44 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 46 degrees into and so on tan 87 degrees into tan 88 degrees into tan 89 degrees. From tan 1 degrees to tan 89 degrees, where angle increments by 1 degrees for each successive term, which is equal to tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees into tan 3 degrees into and so on tan 44 degrees into tan 45 degrees into. We can write 46 as 90 minus 44 degrees. Therefore, tan of 90 minus 44 degrees and so on. 87 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 3 degrees. Tan of 90 degrees minus 3 degrees into 90 minus 2. Tan of 90 degrees minus 2 degrees into 89 can be written as 90 minus 1. Tan of 90 degrees minus 1 degree. Now let us identify the pairs. Tan 1 degree and tan 90 minus 1 degree. Similarly, tan 2 degrees and tan 90 degrees minus 2 degrees. Tan 3 degrees and tan 90 degrees minus 3 degrees. Tan 44 degrees and tan of 90 degrees minus 44 degrees. Now let us see the product of these pairs. The product of the pair tan 1 degrees and tan 90 degrees minus 1 degrees is, from the equation tan theta of tan 90 degrees minus theta is equal to 1. If we substitute theta is equal to 1 degrees, then tan 1 degrees into tan 90 degrees minus 1 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, the product of these two terms is 1. Similarly, tan 2 degrees into tan of 90 degrees minus 2 degrees is 1. Tan 3 degrees into tan of 90 degrees minus 3 degrees is 1. Tan 44 degrees into tan of 90 degrees minus 44 degrees is 1. And from the standard trigonometric values, we know that tan 45 degrees is 1. Therefore, the given expression can be written as 1 into 1 into and so on 1. The first 44 terms and last 44 terms we get 1 into 1 and so on 44 times. And tan 45 degrees is 1. That is equal to, this is a product of 1s 45 times, which is equal to 1, which is option B. Therefore, for the given question, the value of tan 1 degrees, tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees and so on tan 89 degrees is option B 1.